Hello everyone, myself Janki Sadhu and I am from Shri Chimanbai Patel Institute of Management and Research. Today, me and my group represent the MIS system which is used by today's business structure. For the MIS business system, first we have to know about what is MIS and what is MIS system. Let's talk about what is MIS system. MIS system is used for decision making, controlling, visualizing and interpreting for the organization. Today, we discuss different aspects of MIS system and technology which we had already visited. For more details of MIS. The company which we have visited named as Jain Minerals. The owner of the company is Mr. G.B. Shah, who was the founder and proprietor of this firm. Jain Minerals was basically established in the year 1981. The nature of the business is exporter and the manufacturer. The total number of employees working in the Jain Minerals was around 11 to 25 workers, and the annual turnover of the company is 2 to 5 crore rupees. Legal status of the firm was individual as the proprietor. This is the brief of the Jain Minerals. For the further information, I would like to call my friend Mihir Gadani.
Hello guys, my name is Mihir Gadani. Here I am going to give some information about the supply chain. Firstly, we have to analyze about the supply chain of raw material and further process of stones and filterization. The stones which company are using as a raw material are imported from the Rajasthan, Pune, Bengal. The imported raw materials are sending to the Naroda GIDC for the further process. In the raw material there are big stones which they use to cut them in the small stones for the further process. After cutting that stones, they spreading some liquid on them to clean it. After cleaning process, company is sending a sample to the laboratory for testing. In the test, they are checking which minerals are in it, that quality of the minerals, and that minerals are going to be useful or not. After completing the test, all the materials are sending to the further process. Now, I would like to call my friend Mr. Rutvik Patel for further information.
Hello everyone, my name is Rutvik Patel. Now I will explain the production process of Jain Minerals. After checking quality of raw material, laboratory give approval for the further processing of raw material. Production worker take approval from lab and put manually raw material in conveyor belt. The conveyor belt shifted raw material to the crusher. After crushing stone, raw material shifted into the filter area for the converting raw material into the finished good. Jain Mineral has 3 large size of stone crusher for the production. They also have 3 large size of storage area for storage finished goods and raw material, and 2 filter for the filtration of raw material. After complete all process, finished goods shifted to the packaging area for selling and distribution. Now I would like to introduce my another group member Harsh Trivedi for giving detail about next process.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Trivedi. So I am discussing about the packaging and distribution department of Jain Minerals. After all processes, Jain Minerals are mainly make 6 product items. These are as under. First of all, Jain Minerals are make calcium carbonate, ground carbonate, micronized calcium carbonate, calcium powder, loose carbonate powder and marble chip. These products and the powder are mainly used to making of tissue paper, ceramics, color and paints, construction chemicals, written ink and chalks. The Jain Minerals are mainly providing the packaging of available in 20 kg, 25 kg, 50 kg and 100 kg packages. But Jain Minerals are also providing as per the customer requirement packages. Now the next process is selling and distribution. Jain Minerals are mainly used their finished goods to transport it by sea or by air in India and another country like Australia, Africa and Gulf countries. For selling and distribution, Jain Minerals are cooperate with some big logistic companies. The products of Jai Minerals are mainly used in industrial products, so Jai Minerals don't need to advertise their products. Now, I would like to introduce my another group member, Janu Patel, to providing some information about MIS system which they are using.
Hello guys, my name is Janu Patel and I would like to talk with you about which type of information system that Jai Minerals using for their company. There are various information systems that company uses such as TPS, MIS, DSS, export system and ERP that most of the organization use. We are analyzing the information system of Jai Minerals and we concluded that ERP is the information system that Jai Minerals using for the company. Now let's talk on ERP system. What is ERP system? ERP is a strength for enterprise resource planning. ERP process used by a company to integrate the various parts of their business. ERP is a software system can also integrate the various parts like production, marketing, finance, human resource and the other parts, other working functions. How ERP system works? ERP uses a centralized database for a various business process to reduce the manual labor and simplify the existing business workflows. To exemplify, an ERP supply chain solution might receive a customer order and then automatically send this information to a distribution center that is most efficient position. The order is completely managed by its way. Distribution center would be most productive and cost effective in completing order. Apart from this type of information system, Jai Minerals also use another two types of software like Marble Mastersizer and PTS Arbotex. Marble Mastersizer, this is a software for collecting the data of check the content, material quality and process of filtering. PTS Arbotex, this software for a production unit of check quantity, maintain time, duration, check packaging time and activity regarding to production sector. Biometric register system in calculation of working hour and attendance of a workers. Company has a main one server system which are connected with 4 other computers and company has a 2 laptop and 40 night vision CCTV camera, so owner can always inner touch at any time. Company has a automatic safety alarms too. Now I would like to invite my group member Hitvi Gopani to concluding this video.
I am Hitvi Gopani. In the end of this video, I am giving some more information about this project. Now, as you know, Janki introduced what is MIS, Mir introduced supply chain management and raw material process, Ritvik introduced what is production process, Harsh introduced export packaging process, Janu has explained what is ERP system of MIS which is using by Jai Minerals. I would like to thank Jai Minerals who provide us to all the necessary information, cooperation and support.
Jai Minerals occupied ISO certificate during the year 2010-11 and they have also product certificate of their all kind of products.
Now in the end, I would like to thank to Ms. Meet Bhatt who gives this wonderful opportunity to all of us, and I would like to thank to all group members.